students, see in your math magic book, in this NCERT math book. Today we are going to study here this 12th one chapter, how heavy and how light. Heavy and light. See here, Jaggu and Manu were shifting house and they loaded all their things on a horse cart, and there were many things like a water tank, here one water tank, 5 sacks of this wheat, 3 tables, 1 almari, and 4 chairs here, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, and pots and pans. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start, and they wondered why. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. His father said this horse was not well because he would not pull a load heavier than this 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy is this load? They asked. Then how heavy of this load means these things of this weight you count here. Father gave them some idea of this weight of each thing and found out the total weight they had loaded on the chart. Now they decided to remove a few things from the cart. See here, things loaded and weight is given. A sack of wheat, 100 kg, a sack of rice 35 kg, water tank 50 kg, almari weight 70 kg, a table 10 kg, a chair 5 kg, mattresses 20 kg, bamboo ladder 10 kg, pots and pans 10 kg. See here a sack of wheat, 100 kg means here one sack of wheat, this weight is 100 kg. Then here how many this sack of wheat? 5 means here 500 kg. Then next one, a sack of rice. How many sacks of rice? 35. Then 35 3s are, you do here multiplication, 105 kg. Then 50 kg. Here water tank, only one water tank. This 50 kg. Then almari only 170 kg. Then a table. How many tables here? 3 tables, but one table here 10 kg means 30 kg weight. Then chair. How many chairs here? 4. 4 5s are 20 kg. Then next one here, a mattresses. How many mattresses? 2. 2 means 40 kg. Then bamboo ladder. Here only one bamboo ladder, 10 kg. Pots and pans also 10 kg. Then you do this addition of this all weight. Here 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And here again 2. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. 835 kg. 835 kg. Which thing should be removed so that the weight of this load is not more than 700 kg? This weight is here more than this 700 kg, and you removed here which things? Then this weight is less than this 700 kg. Suppose you remove this weight first, give 500 kg. Then here how much remain here? 500 kg. You remove this 5, 3, 8 minus 5, 3. 335 kg. Suppose you remove this 105 kg. 0, 3, 8 minus 1, 7. This also weight is more than this 700 kg. Therefore, you remove this 100 kg, this sack of wheat. Here 5 sacks of wheat. Then you remove this again 3 sack of wheat. Suppose 300. Then you remove here 300. Then here this weight is here less than this 700 kg. Then next one, the things which were loaded on the cart were big in size and also are very heavy, and to measure the weight of such heavy and big things, and we need a big balance. See here, but Jeju and Manu wanted to make their own balance, and they collected a few things, a stick, two leads and a thick thread, and they made this balance. Now you also make your own balance, write down your made it and also draw a picture of this balance. Here one empty box is given and you draw here this picture of this balance. Then next one, see page number 135. One activity is given here. Manu and Jeju put a pencil and a geometry box in two pans of this balance, and which pan will go down. Why? Draw a picture to show it. You draw here one picture of this balance. In one pan here you draw here this pencil, and one pan here draw here this geometry box. This geometry box heavy than this pencil. Then this geometry box pan is here will go down. Then make pairs of different things and use a balance to decide which is heavier. This geometry box is heavier. First guess which things will take the put pan down, and then check with your balance. Then next one point, see here what is the heaviest. Make groups of these three things. For example, here example is given here, eraser, paper and one ball, and you make here these three groups, which one is lightest, which one is heaviest, and which one is in between of this weight, lightest and heaviest, and use the balance to arrange them in order of weight, the lightest one with in between weight and one with heaviest. You complete this table at least 5 examples. You write here again 5 examples, which one is lightest, which one is heaviest, and which one in between of this weight. Then in homework you complete this. Then this next one, making weights here. Do this activity in pairs. You need a balance weights, a cake of soap, plastic packets, sand and rubber bands. You can also take help of an older person. Get a new cake of soap. The packet will have the weight written on it, and you can use this soap. Here you write here this soap weight, how many grams this, and in one balance here put it one pan of the balance, put the soap in the other pan, and slowly add this sand to this pocket. You see here you slowly add this in this packet sand until the pans are this balanced. Then close the packet with a rubber band or string, and now stick a strip of paper and write this how many gram of meat. If you put the soup and the weight you just made together in a pan, and you see here different weights of this here given weights for these soaps. Here 150 gram, 200 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1000 gram, 750 gram. Then use your weights to weight different things and write in your notebook. Then next one point, this remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.